Ride or Die, a crypto trading strategy for harnessing volatility with leverage. Packaged in the TradeMAPS framework at bobbygigs.com. Flint West reporting from the edge of the market's fault line, where volatility isn't a warning, it's the invitation. You see, most traders treat volatility like a fire. They huddle away from it, too scared to touch it, or they try to smother it with stop losses, hedges, and over-engineered risk models. But not us. Not here. This is Ride or Die. The whole point of crypto, the reason it keeps leaving Wall Street scratching its head, is because the volatility is the alpha. Those wild swings that wreck the cautious, they're the fuel if you've got the discipline to harness them. Here's how this trade map works. We don't overcomplicate. We don't second guess. We pick 5 tokens, one from each lane of the market. Your layer 1 majors, your exchange tokens, your infrastructure plays, your meme coins, and your tokenized commodity coins. That spread isn't just diversification. It's forcing dispersion. It's making sure you're not just betting 5 times on Bitcoin with different names. Once you've got your basket, you load it the same way every time. $10 margin per token, 10 times leverage. Targets locked, plus 10% profit or liquidation around minus 8.5%. No stop loss, no fiddling, no panic button. This is a mechanical ride. You strap in, you don't get off until the track ends. And that's the discipline most traders don't have. They can't sit still. They'll cut a winner too early or nurse a loser too long. But Ride or Die isn't about discretion. It's about committing to the system. The volatility either pays you or it burns you. And when the smoke clears, you reload with the next 5. Risk? It's in the design. You spread bets across categories. You build a circuit breaker. If 2 full wipeouts hit back-to-back, you pause. You drop in a buffer injection when balance hits the threshold, but only once, then you stand down. That's not gambling. That's system architecture. And here's the psychology. The market wants you scared. It wants you anxious, refreshing charts at 3 a.m., sweating every tick. This trade map flips the script. Once you pull the trigger, you're done. No more late-night panic. You wait. You let the math and the mechanics do the work. It's not about being right on every trade. It's about being repeatable, measurable, and survivable. You're not scalping noise. You're surfing waves. Some crash under you. Some carry you to shore. But over time, with dispersion on your side, volatility isn't the enemy. It's the edge. So remember the name. Ride or Die, not because it's reckless, but because it's absolute. The system rides to its profit target, or it rides to its liquidation. No half measures, no in-betweens. And the discipline of doing that, batch after batch, is what turns chaos into a pathway. This is a trade map. It's the architecture of conviction, packaged, tested, and branded under bobbygigs.com. And that's the story. Flint West, signing off from the front lines of volatility. Definition of a trade map. A trade map, short for Market Access Pathway System, is a structured, narrative-driven trading blueprint. It takes a thesis, whether it's a monologue, an exposition, or a macro analysis, and transforms it into a repeatable framework. Every trade map combines story and conviction with hard parameters, entry, exits, risks, and rules. It functions as both a playbook for execution and a packaged product for subscribers. At bobbygigs.com, trade maps are where narrative becomes strategy, and strategy becomes action.